kids, show me your magic trick. Hey Cody, show me your magic trick. Go ahead, Cody.
Okay.
You got it. What?
Turn your camera on. Boston! I'm gonna do a front flip. Okay, I'm at a side flip. I'm gonna do a cool side flip. Watch this. Welcome back, friend, to my old TV show called Nothing. And that's the day today. It's the first TV show I've ever made. And you can't see my mouth talking because I hum like this. And puppies can't talk. So, yeah. Did you know I'm a real thing? Subscribe! Yay! Have a happy day! Hi! My name is Lady, and I'm 18. If I could use my fingers, it makes 18! I'm gonna sing a little pretty song. And it's called Truth Hurts. Want me great till you gotta be great. What? I just took a DNA test, so I'm 100% that. Got me crazy, I got 4 problems dealing with me. Bling, 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 bling is the goddess of me. You could have had it back, just a little. Happy birthday, Chloe, just a little. And that's the same that told me that. And that's the same that told me that. Want me great till I gotta be great. Woo! Hello, today. Wake up, everybody! It's time to put a piece. Okay. Wake up, everybody! Wake up, everybody! It's I'm singing human. Wait! Oh, I'm using the suitcase. Here's record 2. Here's record 2. On number 8. What is it called again? Hello. What's it called again? Oh yeah, clickbait. Ah! Hey everyone, watch. Hey everyone, watch this. What's this? My head's stuck. Wake up, everybody! It's time for what is it called again? Wait, huh? Clickbait 2. Stop recording. Hello, ah! Jeez. This is how grannies walk. This is how kids walk. This is a hat. I'm the magic man. No. Don't do this at home, kids. You could get hurt. I'm doing the Macarena. Bum ba bum ba bum 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 Hi, friends. Bye, friends. Hi, friends. Bye, friends. You should probably stop. You can get a headache. Hi, friends. My friends are not there. Oh, my friends are there. Oh, my friends are not there. Ah! Oh, monsters.
Bye, monsters. Cannon, scoot it this way a little. Scoot it this way. No, scoot the camera. Scoot it over there on the grass. No, I meant scoot it this way, like on the camera. Make it face the grass. Okay, that way. Good. Go! 2, 3. Yeah, friends. What's your favorite color?
Definitely blue and orange.
What's your favorite food?
Butter noodles and mac and cheese.
Ooh, that's yummy. This one's really tricky. What's your favorite thing to do in our backyard?
Hang out with you guys.
Oh, that's really good. What's your favorite thing to do at school?
Whoa, play with my friends. And I like to play with my friends at recess.
What's your favorite thing to draw?
How to do this and how to do a dragon.
What's your favorite kind of tree? I think it's pears. I think it's, huh?
Pear trees.
I know, they're really yummy. Hey guys, the baby's sleeping. Shh. 2 stories that was funny. So, the babysitter is called, it's where you sit on babies. Close the video. Once there was a way to get back home.
Shut up.
Hey Google, stop playing Once There Was a Way. So Cody was playing Once There Was a Way, and it goes like, once there was a way.
He got grounded for it.
Whoa, that's what he says. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, it's me, Lady, and I don't know why, but I just love this bone, and I have the bone, and so I was just saying that here's some makeup tips. See my hair? How it's nice and pretty. I put eyeshadow on. It's peachy cream from Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. And it's really cheap because it's only like $5.99 with this. So I mean, that's my makeup tips. Yeah. You guys, you know how I really like that bone of mine? Now, I'm trying to find it. So I'm digging under my bed. And I found it.
Yo guys, it's me again, Lady. Yeah, I'm just kind of tired from chewing on my favorite bone. As you can tell, I love it. I love bones, and bones love me.
Yeah.
When the sun